Throughout my content creation journey, I have upgraded my tech products so much, from my camera, my microphone, even my lighting. And now that I finally found a setup that works for me, what do you think I'm gonna do, gatekeep it? Hi, I'm Tamara Loves. If you don't know me, I am a tech creator who loves to review old, new products, tech education, and also I love just answering you all's tech related questions. If you love these types of videos, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps me greatly on my YouTube journey. Throughout this video, I'm going to be talking about what I use for filming. Full disclaimer, I am not sponsored in any single way. Every single product that I'm about to be sharing with you all, I've either bought with my hard-earned money, has been gifted to me by my lovely streaming community, or that I won in a giveaway. Starting off with the star of the show, actually what I'm using to record right now is the Sony ZV-E10 camera with the kit lens. By the way, the kit lens is the 16 to 50mm. As a marketing student, I needed an upgrade to something that I could actually take off my PC and record for marketing events, pictures, personal projects, or even if I were to travel. And overall, I just needed something that was better quality than my phone. I love the fact that it has an interchangeable lens, so much customization, and the fact that you can record on slog. Along with the lens, you can change exposure, aperture, saturation, product showcasing, soft skin, and so much more. And if you're into color grading, you can use slog, which just makes it better to edit in certain tones. This camera retails for approximately $750, and yes, that is including the kit lens, but the other lenses are a lot more expensive, so definitely do your research before buying them, as they all have their own specific purposes. I'm not affiliated by Sony in any way, but trust me when I say the Sony ZV-E10 camera is so good if you're beginning videography, photography, or even just want a better quality camera while streaming. Now onto the microphones. Oh my gosh, I talk about these so much. The DJI Mic 2s. They're wireless lav mics that I got back in October 2024 for my birthday, and trust me when I say this, I have never looked back. I've recorded with these while I'm outside, while I'm in crowded places, and I have never had an issue with them. I got the mics in a 2-pack just so when I interview people, it's not like a lot of cords running everywhere. And with the DJI Mic 2s, I did have to buy the wireless connector separately. And yes, I will say that the price, $350, is pretty steep, but I'm gonna say this right now. I'm kind of a little embarrassed because I got these probably about a month or two before the Mic Minis came out, and trust me on that, they are a lot more affordable. I think they're like just under 100, maybe 150 for a 2-pack, and they definitely pack a punch while also being a little bit more discreet. But one thing that truly stands out about the DJIs is how easy it was to set up, and they also have a little icon that shows when they are connected, so you're not sitting here left wondering, is this connected? Is this connected or not? They also come with windbreakers so that you can talk outside with all the gusts of wind getting into your mic, and they come with USB-C and lightning ports when you record mobily or on your laptop. My favorite part about them is how long they last, especially because I use them at least 4 to 5 times a week. I probably have to charge the charging case once every 3 to 4 weeks, and again, that's with using them heavily. The mic also has a couple wear options. You can either have it set down like how I have it right now, it has a clip, and it also has magnetic if you don't want your shirt snagging. For my SD card, I have a SanDisk 128 Pro, but I also did get 3 128 gigabytes gifted from Kingston. Thank you so much. And I will also be bringing them on my Games Week Georgia and DreamHack trip. I will say, depending on how much you use your camera, 128 gigabytes will get you far. I have used it for quite a few projects, and although it's not a lot of space in terms of what other type of SD cards are out there, if you're starting off, you really don't need that much room. But I am about to graduate, I am about to travel a lot, so I definitely do need more than one. I do have 2 tripods, the first one being Ulanzi. This is more on the portable side, or even a tabletop tripod. You can wrap it around circular objects, put it in weird positions. The Ulanzi is currently my go-to as I record from my desk a lot, and because my desk is adjustable, I don't need a tall stand. And surprisingly, this retails for $24, and I did get it on Amazon. For how convenient this is, I've had no issues with it at all. I thought it was going to be a lot more expensive. And one feature I truly do like about it is that it has a ballpoint head, so you can rotate it any way, you can tighten it to make sure it's fastened. Trust me, if you're one to like more customizable angles, this is the go-to. Now for my height adjustable tripod, I have a Umazla. It's great, it's easy, it's kind of compact, it's not difficult to work with like my other tripods that are currently stuffed in my closet, but I don't like the fact that it's not a ballpoint headed tripod. So you basically have to keep it level, or you can turn it, but you can't like put it into circular motions at all. Which, if that isn't an issue for you, definitely go ahead and get it. But with me wanting to do more B-roll content, it's not really meant for that. It's more so for head talking content or for photography. I am 5'4" and it can reach up just a little higher, so do with that information as you must. It's good for capturing footage in my living room, my dining room, even my kitchen, but me personally, if I'm doing head talking content, I really don't use it. But honestly, it's good if you need something quick, efficient, and affordable. I got it for $18 off of Amazon. Basically, everything that I'm about to show you can get off of Amazon. And lastly, my lights. I have 3 lights in total at the moment, my main one being from Elgato. This Elgato ring light I won back in May from a giveaway hosted by Luminosity and one of my mutuals. When I tell you this light truly changed the game for my streaming and for my head talking content, it did. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how much it retails for because I saw Elgato took it off their site, but they do have some key lights on their site that's available. It was relatively easy to set up. You can use your phone or you can use your PC if you have one. It goes based off of Bluetooth, so once you plug it in, you connect it, and you can change the brightness or its tones, whether it's from cold or to warm. You cannot have multicolor settings like you can with their key lights, but honestly, that's okay. It didn't come with a stand though, so if you wanted to make it more like portable, you would need to buy a separate stand. It only came with a clamp where you can put it on your desk. Now my side lighting is a key light from Nice VD. It actually came in a 2-pack, but I don't have room on my desk for the other light, nor is it really needed. It came in a 2-pack for $50. It comes in 3 settings, warm, cold, or right in the middle, and it also has a couple brightness settings. Not too much customization, but like I said earlier, quick, efficient, and affordable, which as a college student, that's really all I can ask for right now. And for my backlighting, it is a Walmart branded lamp. It's a rice lamp. I think it was like $15, nothing special to it. You can't even change the brightness. It comes with a floor button that you can press on it, and there you go. But when you do videography, it is nice to have a backlighting so you don't look like you're in a dark dungeon. If I were to change anything about my filming setup, it would definitely be the lens. I'm not opposed to the kit lens. The kit lens has definitely gotten me far. Don't take this as the kit lens being bad, but Sony, Sigma, there are so many companies that offer such great lenses. Even though they are pretty expensive, they're definitely worth the investment. And also I've seen creators like Taylor Lloyd have filming setups on wheels. Like everything is just on a bar with wheels at the bottom, their light, their monitor, their camera, their microphone. It is insane. Trust and believe, I will be there someday. Now the camera settings I'll definitely go over in another video because that's like a whole new ballpark in itself. That's all to my setup. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I am an up and coming tech creator, so if you'd like, feel free to like and subscribe as it helps me out greatly. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all later. Bye.